We don't know if it's friendly. That's the thing that took down the Night Sister. Whoa.
Get up. Try again.
Just keep failing, Master.
Do you? Good. Keep failing. Keep getting back up. That is the only way to succeed. Do not allow yourself to be weighed down by ego and pretense. Let go of what you fear to lose and rise up. Now, again. Good. Now reach my position. You can do it. Perhaps I chose the wrong pattern.
Master?
I'm only joking, pal. Don't focus on the opinions of others. It is a weakness your enemies can exploit. Focus on your timing. Don't let yourself get discouraged.
Just gotta keep getting back up, ED. As long as we get back up, we're still in this fight. I'm finally back to where I was before the purge. Before Master... Paul died. It's hurt. Think we can help it?
I understand. This tree connects the core of the planet.
BD, got something to help me? Yep, there you go. There's something in there. This fell from a Wookiee as they climbed the tree. Some type of test. war never ended here. Everything we did any of it matter? We have to be careful. I don't want to spook it. Hey! It's okay. We're not here to hurt you. We're friends, understand? Friends. It's okay. It's a piece of the Night Sister's ship. We need to remove it. This is gonna hurt, okay? I'm sorry. Thanks, BD. Here you go. Oh. It's the least we could do. Giving us a lift? There's still so much the Empire hasn't touched. Oh, nice.
At last, I found my quarry. The Astrium, used by the Zepho sages millennia ago. I hold in my hand a piece of galactic history. Oh, I will never be able to thank Tarful enough. Do you know what this means, my friend? No need to return to Darthamir. Darkness clouded every attempt at finding the Astrium inside Kujit's tomb, but the Force has provided a new path.
Kuch's tomb.